EFIMAT, the efficient VLM, the new generation of vertical lifts. Let us do a short comparison of the different generations of small parts storage solutions. Traditionally, small parts were stored and orders picked from conventional shelving. Doing so, a skilled warehouse employee would typically pick up to 25 order lines per hour in average. Let us, for example, say that we have storage of 350 square meters or 3,800 square feet of shelving. The introduction of vertical and horizontal carousels dramatically improved both storage utilization and pick rate. Many of these devices have been replaced by the traditional vertical lift modules, the VLM. Using carousels or vertical lifts, warehouses experienced very large space savings, bringing the 350 square meters or 3,800 square foot of conventional shelving down to approximately 10 square meters or 110 square foot by compact storage and by using the height of the building. In terms of picking speed, the traditional VLM offers a typical range of 60 to 100 order lines per hour per device per operator. Replenishment normally counts for 10 to 15% of the operation time. The EFIMAT is a new generation in its own league. The space savings are even better, with more compact storage and picking speeds up to 300 to 400 order lines per hour per device. The speed is improved by the patented principle behind the EFIMAT, where items handled utilize standard storage totes instead of wide and heavy trays. This allows the lift to move less often, thereby improving the picking speed dramatically. The picking speed of 300 to 400 order lines per hour is achieved even without adding physical openings on the sides of the machine, which also is a new possibility with the EFIMAT. The addition of side openings will add to overall rate. Handling items at a box or tote level allows the EFIMAT to efficiently handle all small items. For handling long or very heavy items, a traditional VLM is still the right solution, and thus a traditional VLM in our product program called ClassicMat is available in our standard product offering. Welcome to the introduction of EFIMAT, the new generation of vertical lift modules. The EFIMAT vertical lift module is a product program by EFIMAT Storage Technology Denmark. Learn more about our full product portfolio and the experienced logistics people behind the products by visiting our website www.efimat.com, where you will also find the contact information you need for us and our partners. EFIMAT, the next generation VLM.